Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best wooden boat kits is probably one of the most rewarding and relaxing hobbies you can pick up, offering a unique blend of creativity, precision, and the satisfaction of building something beautiful with your own hands. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the perfect kit, from considering the complexity of the build to the quality of the materials, ensuring you choose a project that matches your skill level and aspirations, ultimately leading you to build a stunning model boat you'll be proud to display. Number 5. Lowell Grand Banks Dory Kit. It features true plank-on-frame construction, just like the real thing. This provides an authentic and rewarding building experience. High-quality laser-cut basswood parts make assembly precise and easy. You'll enjoy the smooth process. Detailed plans and a 48-page illustrated manual guide you step by step. Building it will be a breeze. A beautiful wooden display base is included, so you can proudly show off your finished model. It's the perfect centerpiece. It's designed for beginners, with a skill level 1 rating. Even first-time builders can create a stunning model. It measures 10 inches long, 3 inches wide, and 112 inches high, at a 1/24 scale. It's the perfect size for display. A lifetime guarantee covers lost or damaged parts, giving you peace of mind throughout the building process. Build with confidence. It's proudly made in the USA, ensuring high-quality materials and expert craftsmanship. You're getting the best. What we like. It features true plank-on-frame construction, just like a real dory, and includes high-quality laser-cut basswood parts for easy assembly. If you're new to model building or looking for a straightforward project with a satisfying result, this kit is perfect for you. Its detailed instructions make it ideal for beginners who want to learn the craft without frustration. What people say. Easy build. Enjoyed the process of building it. Easy if you pay attention to the directions. It even had information about the real boat. Nice introduction into model building. Instructions are well written and easy to follow. This kit is the perfect introduction to the hobby. It has a great instruction manual that has a lot of tips and takes you through the process. This is the first of 3 progressively more complex wooden ships that Model Expo makes to start people on this journey. Number 4. Shipways 18th Century Longboat Kit. This meticulously detailed kit lets you build your own historically accurate 18th century longboat. It's a rewarding project for modelers of all skill levels. It features authentic plank-on-frame construction, just like the real thing. Experience the satisfaction of building a historically accurate model. All the necessary tools and paints are included, along with precisely cut basswood parts. You'll have everything you need to create a museum-quality replica. Full-size plans and a detailed 20-page instruction book with photos guide you through each step. It simplifies the building process, making it accessible to all. Some modeling experience is helpful, but the comprehensive instructions make it manageable for beginners. You'll be amazed at what you can create. We stand behind our product. If you need replacement parts, they are free, ensuring a worry-free building experience. This kit is proudly made in the USA, upholding a tradition of quality craftsmanship since 1976. Enjoy the pride of building an American-made model. What we like. This kit provides everything you need, including tools and paint, to build a museum-quality replica. It's historically accurate and comes with full-size plans and a detailed instruction book. If you want a complete package that simplifies the building process, and you appreciate historical accuracy, this is the one for you. What people say. The kit overall seems quality. The instructions are excellent. Comes with terrific tools and paint. Number 3. Model Shipways MS 1460 Longboat Kit. Get ready to build your own historically accurate 18th century armed longboat. This detailed kit provides everything you need for an engaging and rewarding build. It features intricately laser-cut wood components, ensuring precision and ease of assembly. The high quality of the wood makes for a beautiful final product. High-quality metal and brass details add realism and authenticity. These elements bring the longboat to life. The kit includes cast metal cannons, adding a touch of historical accuracy and visual appeal. These are meticulously crafted for a realistic look. This model is crafted at a 1/24 scale, offering a manageable yet detailed build. It's perfect for model enthusiasts of all skill levels. Photo-etched brass fittings provide intricate details that elevate the model's realism. These small parts add a significant level of detail. With its combination of laser-cut wood, metal, and brass, it's a truly unique and rewarding project. Start building your own piece of history today. What we like. This model stands out with its laser-cut wood parts, combined with metal and photo-etched brass details. If you are looking for a high-quality, historically accurate model with intricate details, this kit will provide a challenging and rewarding experience. It's perfect for those who appreciate fine craftsmanship and want to create a truly impressive model. What people say. Instructions look great. Lots of fabrication and modifications to wooden parts. Instructions are better than most. A nice kit for someone who wants to build a ship model, but doesn't want to do a lot of rigging. A very pretty finished product. Number 2. 1949 Chris Craft Runabout. This model boasts a timeless design. It's a true representation of craftsmanship and style from a bygone era. The hull is meticulously crafted with a wood frame, covered in durable PVC, and elegantly planked with mahogany veneer. It's built to last. Notice the precision of the die and laser-cut wood parts. Every detail is carefully considered. It features chrome cast metal fittings and a complete driveline hardware kit. Quality is evident in every component. The original details are preserved, including the plastic windshield, flags, and even the non-functional navigation lights. These add to its charm. It's ready for the water. Imagine yourself cruising in this classic beauty. What we like. This kit offers a unique building experience with its wood-framed hull covered in mahogany veneer and chrome fittings. If you're looking for a classic, stylish model with a modern twist, this kit is a great choice. The combination of materials provides a beautiful and durable finished product. Number 1. Model Shipways Shipwright Series. Start your wood ship modeling journey with our beginner-friendly kit. It includes 3 historically accurate models, progressing in difficulty, to build your skills. Each model comes with over 100 pages of illustrated instructions. It's easy to follow, even for beginners. All the tools, glue, and paint you'll need are provided. You can start building right away. These kits feature laser-cut basswood, metal castings, and rigging lines. You'll build truly authentic models. We stand behind our products. If anything gets lost or damaged, we'll replace it free of charge. These kits are 100% designed and manufactured in the United States. The Dory is 10 inches long, the Pram is 12.5 inches long, and the Lobster Smack is 14.5 inches long. All are 1/24 scale. What we like. This combo provides 3 historically accurate kits with increasing difficulty levels, offering a comprehensive learning experience. It includes all the necessary tools, glue, and paint. If you want to learn ship modeling systematically and build multiple ships, this is an excellent value and a great way to improve your skills. What people say. Easy to follow instruction for a beginner wooden model maker. Comes with most tools you need. If you want to build a wooden ship model, this is an excellent place to start. This is not a hobby for someone with a passing interest. It takes a lot of work, patience, and time. Even on the beginning model, you have to bend the wood in order to properly form the shape. Fortunately, this kit comes complete with glue, clamps, tweezers and most of the tools needed to build these models. Great introduction and skill builder. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.